everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to search for old tweets in Twitter. So for that, open the Twitter application first and then you will need to get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the Twitter account, what you need to do is tap on the search icon from the bottom menu, tap that. Once you're at the search page, tap on the search Twitter bar on top and there you will need to type in certain information. You will need to type in following string but with your username and the date range you want to look at, that is the old tweet date. So first thing is you need to type in your username. After that you need to tap on the space bar and then type in since. Then type in punctuation mark. After that, you need to type in the date. Type in the date over here. Tap on spacebar and type in until. Punctuation mark. Type in the date over here. And then tap on search. This will show you your earliest tweets or the tweets that you have made within this time period. As you can see, I do not have any tweets that I have on my profile, so there is no result showing in my Twitter page. But if you are using a Twitter account in regular basis and posting tweets every now and then, you will be able to find all the tweets that you have made within this time period. So this is how you can search for the old tweets on Twitter. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.